What's up, VV?
What up?
So we went on a mini H-Mart haul. We're going to show you what we bought.
Let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got. The first thing we got is this Norikomi Furikake rice seasoning.
That looks really good.
I was going to order this off of Amazon, but I'm so happy that I found it in H-Mart. I can't wait to try it. So it's a seasoning. It has sesame seeds, sugar, seaweed, salt, maltodextrin, disodium inosite. It contains sesame. It's going to be some great flavoring for your rice.
Mm-hmm.
The next thing we got is, we've seen these on K-dramas and K-variety shows, but we have never tried them. So these are the Nongshim onion flavored rings. So these are like the Korean Funyuns. Next we have some Lotte brand Cheetos. And these are sweet and spicy flavor. These are probably going to be really good.
Mm-hmm.
We did get soju. Of course, we had to. So we got peach and pineapple. So we'll definitely be diving into this later.
Mm-hmm.
Babe, you want to tell them about this beer that you've been wanting to try?
Something else we always see in K-dramas is this Terra beer. Normally you either see it in cans or these bigger bottles. This is like a 1 pint, 0.9 fluid ounces, like 500 milliliters. I've been really wanting to try this, so that's something else we're going to give it a try later.
Also, we have the ever popular, which again, don't judge us, we've never tried this. This is the bldg artificial spicy chicken flavored ramen cup. It looks delicious. I've always been curious about it.
Mm-hmm.
And last but not least, what else we got, babe?
We have this Dongwon sweet and spicy tteokbokki. So tteokbokki, for those who don't know, are like rice cakes. And they are like a popular snack. And you can make them any combination of flavors like that. These are sweet and spicy. There's some that are just spicy. So we've been really excited to try these too.
All right, so let's dive into these snacks, y'all.
Let's get into it.
All right, so we're going to start with the ever popular Nongshim onion flavored rings. They smell exactly like Funyuns to me.
They do.
Here you go, dear.
Thank you. They're smoother than Funyuns.
Definitely. Funyuns got those. They got those ridges.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely way less saltier than Funyuns. But not in a bad way.
Mm-mm.
I'm sure it's much healthier.
Yeah.
Not bad. I can eat these.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Next, we're going to try the Cheetos sweet and spicy. Look at how light in color these are.
Yeah.
They're nowhere near as vividly orange like American Cheetos are.
Yeah.
Also nowhere near as heavily salted.
Mm-mm. But very sweet.
I
don't get any spicy.
I don't get spicy at all. I do like these very much. These are tasty. All right, so we were able to warm up this Dongwon sweet and spicy tteokbokki. So we put that in the microwave according to instructions. So let's try it out.
That was really good. I really like the texture of the rice cakes.
Me too. That's
very
delicious.
nice cake.
That's delicious. Last but not least, we are going to try the bldg, the spicy chicken ramen. I mixed this to the best of my ability without having chopsticks. They are a little undercooked, but I'd rather have them undercooked than bloated. So let's try them out. Right offhand, you get that spice. The chicken flavor is starting to come through. Those are pretty good.
Yeah, the spice kind of creeps up a little bit, but it's not bad at all.
No.
It's a nice kick.
Much better than American instant ramen.
Oh, yeah.
All right, BB, so that was the end of our haul from H-Mart. So my favorite would definitely have to be the tteokbokki. It was so good.
Me too.
Let us know what you guys think.
Bye, babies.
Bye.